Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are introducing the Tomica Premium Nissan GT-R35. Looking at the information, this GT-R35 was released in a red and white box in 2009. At that time, there were many different versions. The first batch of the R35 had a tailpipe, but later versions did not have it. One version features a white interior and has a tailpipe. There's also the Toy Stream project, the Tomica event model, and the Dubai police car livery, as well as the Tomica limited rubber wheel version, and a set of 5 GT-R versions. All these variants are great, and they all have suspension, with opening side doors. This time, the interior is the most beautiful. The silver paint is harder to produce, and this R35 silver version's glitter is not too exaggerated, making it look quite similar to the real car. The suspension this time isn't too high, and the wheels aren't too small, so it looks very appropriate. The only downside is the absence of side mirrors, but overall, it's fantastic. This R35 can be considered one of the best releases in recent years from Tomica Premium. Please continue watching and looking at the pictures. And remember to comment, like, subscribe, and share our videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.